Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this 99 grapes, grape liqueur. It, of course, is 99 proof. It's a product out of Kentucky. Ounce and a half, or an airline bottle. I'm going to top it off with this Faygo Fireworks soda. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Ralph Grapperhaus. So sorry if I mispronounced your last name. Ralph passed away on October 26, 2025 at the age of 81. He served in the Army with 2 combat tours during the Vietnam War. He earned a Purple Heart after the helicopter he was in was shot down and he was captured and taken as a prisoner of war. He called Delaware home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. It's decent. The grape is a little overpowering, but I'm going to give this one an 8.5 out of 10. It's a solid drink. Maybe an ounce will do this combination, but otherwise it's still decent. It's just a little grape forward, and you still get a lot of the 99 kick from the liquor. Never drink to forget. Always drink to remember. Ralph, may you rest in peace. It's still a decent drink, but it's just a bit strong. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.